She's just not having it.
This is our male Arctic pheasant doing his display for the female. Okay, let's see her. Hey, can I eat something?